YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I've got my coffee ready, and if you know what this is, then you know what's coming with my hair, yeah? So after 3 years of growing this hair, I'm gonna finally do the transformation and shave it off and maybe color it. So stay tuned for the change. And by the way, 51% of you guys watching my YouTube videos have not subscribed yet, so please do it if you feel like. Share, like, comment, and hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. So here we have the final color. I think it's nice. And now I'm gonna shave the sides. result, guys. I hope you like it. New color, new fade, beard trim. Finally I get rid of my hair. That's all the hair I got. And please subscribe, share, like the video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.